Welcome back to the Weston and Layla show. Today, we're gonna make Valentines for our classrooms. We're not gonna be making any Valentines. We're gonna be making Shrinky Dink Keychains. Shrinky Dink Keychains. Today, we're going to be making Shrinky Dink Keychains
for Valentine's Day.
Now for our Valentines. All the stuff that you need for the Shrinky Dink Keychains.
So we're going for the stuff we need for markers and a paper cutter and a hole puncher.
And we'll also need Shrinky Dink plastic, keychains, a cookie sheet with wax paper, and last but certainly not least, an oven. First, we're gonna cut all of our plastic down to size. Now, we're all done cutting them. We just have to punch some holes into the corner. Now we've got all of the holes in the plastic. Now it's time to turn the oven on. Start.
So we're going to write our friend's name on the paper.
And of course, we gotta let them know who it's from. I don't know if they can tell what it says. Got our first tray done. Now we're gonna stick them in the oven. We just took our first batch out of the oven. Now let's see what they look like. Whoa!
That is so cool.
They're tiny now.
How did they turn tiny? The leaves turn tiny, kind
They're
of.
so tiny.
Yeah.
They're awesome. This is so cool. Wow, that's awesome. They really do shrink. Now they're all done, so we can put the keychains on.
That's kind of what they look like. They are so tiny. Here it is. this one. And here's Kaden. And here's Dawson. Here is this one. And here's Sarah's. They're all done.
So now we can give them to our Valentines. Okay, we just got back. You're gonna need a grown-up to do this one, because it's a little bit tricky. This is our first time doing it, and it was amazing. Did you like it, Layla?
Yeah, it's good. I liked it.
They were so big when we first got them, and then after we put them in the oven, they turned so small, and you can even see the tiny little words right down there. The Weston and Layla show.
Yeah.
It's so cool.
It's like so tiny down there. Look at this. Yeah.
Did you think that was fun, Layla? Because I know it was incredible.
So fun. It was so fun. It was like into my brain. So fun. Like, good.
It took up a lot of time, though.
Yeah. And
A lot.
You need help putting this little fin on here because it can sometimes get off and maybe you can lost it. So you need to get another one and do it before you work. Yeah. So yeah.
I hope that our classes and our friends in school really like those Shrinky Dink keychains. Comment down below, what are you gonna hand out for your Valentine's Day?
Please like
Subscribe to our channel, comment down below, and we'll see you guys later.
on the Weston and Layla Showdown.
Remember, keep watching to see what we do next. Happy Valentine's Day!